Bonjour! Today I'll show you how to make this glitter letter on Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use the bloom effect to create shiny glitters and set the gradient map to adjust the color of your glitters. You'll need these two brushes and this color palette to follow this tutorial, and you can get them for free thanks to the link just below this video. This tutorial is a preview of my online course to learn how to make this artwork from start to finish. You can join the waiting list via the link in the description to know when it will be available. And before we start, here are the canvas settings I'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, let's go! So first, we're going to set the background color. Go to your layers panel and tap the background color layer, then choose this black color. For the letter shape, I'm going to use this sketch that I made beforehand. You can make your own or use mine by downloading it below this video. Take this glitter brush from my brush set and select this light color. Create a new layer, then cover your sketch with a fairly large brush size. By the way, once you find the right size for your brush, tap the plus button on your brush size slider to lock in the brush size you are using. Once you are done, hide or delete the sketch. Grab this brush. We're going to make the glitter effect more realistic by adding glitters, like in real life, where the use of glitters can be a bit messy. So use your brush sparingly around your letter. Now we will use the bloom effect to add glitters that light up. Go to the adjustments menu and tap bloom. Slide to the right to see how the effect applies on your layer. For me, at 25% you can really see the effect. The first setting we are going to adjust is the size. This changes the size effect around each glitter. I would advise you to use a small size. Here, 10% seems pretty good. Now let's adjust the burn. This word is borrowed from the photography language. It is when the light is locally too strong. As a result, the area of the image becomes all white. So you can adjust the light strength on your glitter by adjusting this slider. And finally, you may have noticed that some glitters react to the effect and others do not. To adjust the number of glitters that react to the effect, you have to adjust the transition slider. The lower the transition, the more the darker glitters will be taken into account. Now let's choose the colors of your glitters by using gradient map. Go to the adjustments menu and tap gradient map. You can try the gradient maps already available. If you want to create your own, tap the plus button, then tap in the middle of the gradient and choose this color from the color palette. Slide to adjust the opacity of the gradient map. Tap with your finger on your canvas, then tap Preview to see the difference between the original version and the new one. When you are satisfied, tap the Adjustments menu icon. For the finishing touches, create a new layer and put it at the bottom. Select this brown color from the color palette. Select the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set and use it in the center of your canvas. Tap with 2 fingers on your canvas and slide to the left to adjust the opacity. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 3%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 10%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take the opportunity to remind you that if you want to learn how to make this artwork from start to finish, you can join the waiting list of my online course via the link in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!